Are you tired of watching TV like all the time? Like nothing's ever on TV and you're so bored with it? Or are you tired of reading your book all the time? Your book sucks. Look at it. It's orange. It sucks. Nobody wants to read that book. Or are you tired of working on your fundamentals like stacking blocks for fun creepily? Because I am. I'm so sick of it. I can't take it anymore. That's why I got an idea. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's coming. Wait for it. Wait for it. Are you waiting? Wait. Boom. The idea hit me. It hit me. I'm gonna start a cooking show. Watch it. It's so awesome. Yay. It's by me. Me as in Lerica. And Stacia. Read it. You can read. Step 1, always wash your freaking hands because nobody wants to eat your germy food. We know you don't wash your hands after you use the bathroom. Wash those hands intensely because you got to get those germs off. Those germs don't hold back. Step 2, read the freaking directions. Last time I made some pancakes and they turned out awful because I didn't read the directions. Watch me. Watch, I'm reading it. Step 3, get cooking. Get cooking. Cooking's fun. Do you like cooking? I love to cook. Fill up the water thingy with the measurement on the cup. What are those things called? Measurements. And stir up the stuff after you put the water in it. Stir it up real nice and good. I didn't really do that. Look how thick it was. It looked like vomit. And then put it in the things. Try to divide it evenly. I mean, like, I didn't really do it evenly, but it's good enough. They look awesome, don't they? Don't you just want to eat them? They're awesome. And then put the pan in the oven. Oh, I forgot to preheat the oven. Yeah, preheat the oven. Take them out of the oven. Take a big whiff. Look at those. They look amazing. I can't wait to eat those. They look awesome. Look at that bite. One bite. Heaven in my tongue. Oh, yeah. Delicious. So good. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.